Hello and welcome to DROID. You're probably here because you just venture into in-house wet wipes production, and you need more than a trusted wet wipes machine manufacturer to provide all equipment from A to Z for a complete wet wipes manufacturing process. You will also be thrilled if you could be guided by an expert every step of the way to make sure your investment a big success. You might have been sold wet wipes machines that did not live up to expectations, and in order to satisfy a sophisticated consumer market and stay constantly competitive, you are desperately looking for a more efficient and versatile wet wipes machine to produce all types of wet wipes cheaper and faster than your competitors. Either way, you are landing on the right place. DROID is here to help. DROID opened its door with a goal to make wet wipes manufacturing an easier task, to address challenges of high wet wipes manufacturing costs, limited production space, and limits in convertible wet tissue formats faced by thousands of wet wipes producers at home and abroad. All of these challenges could have been addressed by a higher performance, more versatile and easier to use wet wipes machine. But the solutions available to end users then were either the machines at a hefty price tag, such as those manufactured within the Eurozone, or the technology with less satisfying performance from Asia. This is why DROID was born. On our journey to help startups grow from 0 to 1, empowering veterans to leap from good to excellence in wet wipes business, DROID partnered with an experienced German wet wipes converter and were turned into a German joint venture, solely devoted to best-in-class wet wipes machinery manufacturing and turnkey wet wipes project planning. Here are 3 unique offerings that big and small wet wipes manufacturers have appreciated. 1. DROID manufactures all types of high-performance wet wipes machines for various applications you can find on the market, such as healthcare wipes, personal care wipes, household wipes, workplace wipes, hospitality industry wipes, etc. The machines are featured with quick changeovers and minimized unit manufacturing cost, ideal for multi-purpose needs. 2. Turnkey wet wipes manufacturing expertise. Start with wet wipes product cost calculation and feasibility study with one-on-one consultation. Work with DROID experts to make a GMP-compliant, dust-free clean room design and factory plan, all for free. 3. DROID works with each of our clients closely, every step of the way to help comb through the wet wipes cost structure, optimize their wet wipes raw materials supply chain, and connect them with reliable raw materials manufacturers directly. Thanks to DROID team's unbeatable customer service, high-quality wet wipes production lines, and exclusive industrial know-hows, up to now we have rapidly gained worldwide recognition from numerous happy customers in over 20 countries, including the USA, Germany, Italy, Australia, Ukraine, Russia, Romania, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, South Korea, Japan, India, Pakistan, Brazil, Ecuador, Mexico, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Egypt, Algeria, Kenya, Senegal, etc. With a proven track record of global customer success, DROID is on the way to become a worldwide trusted brand for high-performance wet wipes machines. DROID truly stands alone in the industry, and I am proudly to say no one can do better than what we do in this field. Join DROID's happy customers. Make your wet wipes cheaper and faster than your competitors.